Hello guys, good morning. I know I look busted, right? It's my first time vlogging, so like I don't even know why am I shaking. I keep shaking. My brother's laughing because I told him out of nowhere, yo, I want to start vlogging. Like that's the wave now. So we're gonna eat this yogurt today. We gotta be healthy, you know. My brother about to make some scrambled eggs and stuff. He's doing scrambled eggs with him. And I'm gonna catch you guys when. So guys, this is the final results of the eggs. Of course, you gotta take them out and stuff. And I'm gonna show you guys what I was eating. So I'm done basically. But this is the bomb. I'll catch you guys later. Okay guys, so now we out and about. This is my outfit. We're running some errands stuff. So I don't know if you guys could hear me or it's loud, but I'll keep you guys updated. Hello guys, so we here in the park. This is my outfit. My mama is right there. But we're just here walking because we're gonna make some errands. So we just decided today is so nice here in New York to walk through the park to take the bus. I feel kind of awkward vlogging. It's like my first time, like I said this morning. But yeah, here we are. Catch you guys later, and I can update you guys out. Guys, look what I found in TJ Maxx. They have more of these. And they have like the Stila ones. They have the other toothpaste. They have Maybelline and even Elf.
Black open. Okay. Yeah, you go. All right, can I have corn on this one as well? Yeah, what and sour cream.
Anything else after sour cream?
Yes, I would like some chips.
Okay. Any guac or salsa with your chips?
Yeah. Can I?
Okay guys, so I think that will be it for today's vlog. I tried my best. It's like a little awkward for me to actually like be recording outside, but I did the best that I could, and I think it's pretty good actually for my first vlog. And I'm just now gonna edit it to put it up, and I'm gonna record also another video with my boxing charm that I got, I believe yesterday, well the day before yesterday. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.